Discover the beauty of village life in just 45 seconds. Life in a village is vastly different from life in a city. It's slower paced, more relaxed, and closer to nature. Villagers rely on agriculture and livestock as their main sources of income, creating a close-knit community that works together to sustain their way of life. Despite lacking many of the modern conveniences found in cities, village life offers a simplicity and sense of community that is often missing in urban areas. If you're ever feeling overwhelmed by the fast pace of city life, consider a visit to a village to experience a simpler way of living.